Dear children, today we are going to learn about set language part 2. Example 1.2. Write the set of all letters of the following words in roster form. The first problem is assessment. We are going to collect the letters from the word assessment. Okay. What are the letters in the word assessment? A, S, S, E, S, S, M, E, N, T. So we are going to collect the letters from the word. If any letters repeated, we need not write again and again. Okay. So the first one is the set A, which contains the letters A, S, E, M, N, T. Similarly, the next problem, set of all letters of the following word principal. Okay, what are the letters present here? P, R, I, N, C, I, P, A, L. Okay, so the set B contains P, R, I, N, C, A, L. Exercise 1.1. Which of the following are sets? We learned very well in the previous session. The collection of prime numbers up to 100. Do you know what are the prime numbers? Yes, prime numbers up to 100 are 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. up to 97. Okay, these are well defined. So this is a set. Collection of rich people in India. We can't collect the name. It is not well defined. So this is not a set. The collection of all rivers in India. It is possible to write the names of rivers in India. So this is a set. Collection of good hockey players. It is not a set. List the set of letters of the following words in roster form. India. What are the letters? I, N, D, A. Then the word parallelogram. P, A, R, L, E, O, G, M. Mississippi. M, I, S, P. And similarly, the last problem. Collect all the letters from this word. C, Z, E, H, O, S, L, V, K, I. Now we have three sets A, B and C, which has some elements. Set A has 0, 3, 5, 8 and set B has 2, 4, 6 and 10 and set C has 12, 14, 18 and 20. You are asked to state whether true or false. 18 belongs to C. That means 18 is an element of the set C. The set C contains 18. Is it true or false? True. 6 does not belongs to A. That means 6 is not an element of A. Yes, this is true. 14 does not belongs to C. See here the set C has 14. So this statement is false. 10 belongs to B. Is it true or false? B. The set B has 10. So 10 is an element of B. It is true. 5 belongs to B. 5 is not an element of B. So this is false. 0 belongs to B. Is it true or false? False. Because 0 is not an element of B. 0 is an element of A. 3 belongs to the element 3. Which belongs to which of the set? A. So 3 belongs to A. 14 belongs to C. 18 not belongs to B. 4 belongs to B. Following sets in roster form. The set A the set of all even natural numbers less than 20. Do you know even natural numbers? This begin with 2. So collect all the even numbers. Set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, which is less than 20. So the next one is here set of all element y such that y is equal to 1 by 2n and n belongs to n less than or equal to 5. Here first we are going to collect n is equal to less than or equal to 5, n belongs to n. So n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can apply the values for n in the formula y is equal to 1 by 2n. So we have y is equal to 1 by 2n. In the place of n, we are going to substitute the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we get the elements y. So first if n is equal to 1, then y is equal to 1 by 2 into 1. In the place of n, substitute 1. So the value is 1 by 2. If n is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 equal to 1 by 4. If n equal to 3, then y is equal to 1 by 2 into 3. Here n is replaced by 3. So 2 3s are 6. N equal to 4. Then y is equal to 2 into 4. This n is replaced by 4. So the answer is 1 by 8. If n is equal to 5, y is equal to 1 by 10. Now the set B has 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8 and 1 by 10. Now set of all x such that x is perfect cube. The cube number is in between 27 and 216. So find out the cubic numbers. What is the value of 1 cube? 1 into 1 into 1, 1. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 3 cube means 27. Similarly, 4 cube equal to 64. 5 cube equal to 125. And 6 cube is equal to 216. In this problem, x is in between 27 and 216. List out the numbers which are in between 27 and 216. Only 64 and 125. So the answer is 64, 125. Here, set of all x such that x belongs to z and x is in between minus 5 and 2. Listen, here the symbol is less than or equal to 2. So 2 is included. But minus 5 is not included. Okay. Look at this one. Minus 5 is not included. So I represent this one by using black box. Here 2 is included. So I color it in red color. Now collect the elements in between minus 5 and 2. What are the elements? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Because 2 is included. So set of all integers. D is equal to minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Then the fifth sum. B is equal to set of all cricket players in India who scored double centuries in one-day internationals. Represent the following sets in set builder form. Set builder form means we are going to describe by a rule. Okay. So, first note that we remove the word set of all. Okay. So, in the place of set of all, we write like that. Set of all x such that x is an Indian cricket player who scored double centuries in one-day internationals. Listen here. In the place of set of all we write set of all x such that x is. Here India, cricket players in India. So we write an Indian cricket player. Then the remainings are same. Who scored double centuries in one-day internationals. Okay. Look at here. 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. 1, 2, 3 are natural numbers. When we add 1 plus 1, we get the denominator 2. Then 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. set of all x such that x is equal to n by n plus 1. Here n represent natural numbers 1, 2, 3. The denominator is n plus 1. This n belongs to n. Set of all Tamil months in a year. So set D A. In the place of set of all we write set of all x such that x is a. The remaining is same. Tamil months in a year. Similarly, the final problem E equal to set of odd whole numbers less than 9. So E is set of all x such that x is an odd number less than 9. Okay. Represent the following sets in descriptive form. We are going to describe the set in words. Here the first problem has the elements January, June and July. All are beginning with the letter J. These are English months. So P is nothing but set of all English months beginning with the letters J. P is equal to set of all English months beginning with the letter J. Here, what are these? These are prime numbers. So, okay, what is the number before 7? 6. What is the number comes after 29? 30. So, these are prime numbers in between 6 and 30. Q is nothing but the set of prime numbers between 6 and 30. Here, set of all x such that x belongs to n. X is less than 5. Okay, we are going to collect the natural numbers. N means natural numbers which is less than 5. So, set of natural numbers less than 5. Then, x is a consonant in English alphabet. The set of consonant in English alphabets. Okay. And in next class, we move to types of sets. Thank you.